I see an AR rifle and someone in plain clothes coming through the hallway. I didn't hear a breach. I didn't hear police or any of that. And I yelled security. I fired a round.
One of the bullets from the friendly fire injured someone in room 106. Back with Alec, the police asked about some specific details.
Do you know if you hit any kids?
I don't, my aim's not good, so I'm not sure if I hit any kids, but I know Devin shot. He fired, and I don't know if it was me or him that hit this kid.
Do you know who that was?